won't believe how simple coconuts are transformed into pure bottled perfection inside this giant factory. Next, every single coconut is carefully inspected because only the best are chosen for premium coconut water. Before anything else, powerful water pressure removes every trace of dirt, preparing each coconut for a perfectly clean process. Now comes the most satisfying moment. Precision blades slice through each coconut perfectly, protecting every drop inside. Inside every coconut, nature's purest refreshment is waiting. This is where the magic happens. Every precious drop is extracted with speed, precision, and total hygiene. Within moments, thousands of liters of pure coconut water flow into giant sterilized tanks, protected from contamination at every stage. Next, advanced filtration systems remove even the tiniest impurities, ensuring unmatched clarity and safety. Before bottling begins, every batch is scientifically tested to guarantee purity, freshness, and premium quality. Even the bottles are crafted with precision, designed to protect freshness before a single drop is filled. Every bottle is sterilized thoroughly, because purity means nothing without protection. Now the transformation is complete. Pure coconut water is bottled at incredible speed with exact precision. Not a single drop too much, not a single drop too little. Every bottle is perfected with precision technology. Seconds after filling, each bottle is sealed airtight, locking in natural freshness and protecting purity. Every seal is tested, because one imperfect bottle can never reach the market. Now science meets branding, as each bottle receives its identity. Precision labeling transforms simple bottles into a polished product ready for shelves worldwide. Every bottle is tracked, dated, and verified, ensuring freshness from factory to customer. Before leaving the factory, every bottle faces one final inspection, where only perfection moves forward. Single bottles become secure multi-packs, protected for transport through advanced packaging technology. Now each product is boxed with precision, transforming fresh coconut water into a global retail product. Powerful palletizing systems organize thousands of bottles for large-scale distribution. Each pallet is sealed and secured, ready to travel safely across cities, countries, and continents. Inside this massive warehouse, freshness waits for its journey to stores around the world. Now begins the final journey, from factory floors to stores across the world. From highways to shipping ports, these bottles travel thousands of miles to reach consumers everywhere. At distribution centers, every shipment is sorted and routed with speed for maximum freshness.
And finally, what began as a simple coconut is now ready for you.
From nature through technology to your hands. A simple coconut transformed into pure refreshment through one extraordinary journey. Beyond roads, coconut water crosses oceans through one of the world's largest shipping networks. To preserve natural taste, advanced cooling systems protect every bottle before it reaches you. From one factory to countless nations, a natural drink becomes a global product.
Smart branding turns freshness into trust, helping consumers choose quality instantly. More than a drink, coconut water represents natural hydration powered by modern technology. Even the leftovers matter, because modern factories transform waste into valuable resources.
What looks like waste becomes fuel, fiber, and new opportunity through smart recycling. Even the husk has value, transformed into eco-friendly materials used around the world. Some factories go even further, using coconut waste itself to help power production. Behind every bottle, strict hygiene teams work non-stop to maintain safety at every level. At the heart of it all, a digital control center monitors every step with unmatched precision. Day or night, the process never stops, ensuring millions can enjoy coconut water worldwide. Every single day, this factory produces millions of bottles, transforming nature into global-scale refreshment. From raw coconuts to finished bottles, every second is powered by speed, science, and precision. It's not just machines. Skilled people guide every stage, ensuring perfection through teamwork. Inspected. All parameters are green.
Confirmed, efficiency is optimal.
Strict international safety standards make sure every bottle meets global expectations. No matter where you are, this journey ends the same way. Pure refreshment you can trust.
Perfect. This really hits the spot.
One simple coconut, now part of a worldwide network of technology, trade, and hydration. From tropical trees to cutting-edge technology, this is how nature becomes innovation. What seems simple on a store shelf is actually the result of an extraordinary journey. Behind every bottle lies a hidden world of machines, science, and precision. And this is the true scale of modern coconut water production. In just moments, a raw coconut begins its transformation into a finished global product. This is more than manufacturing. It's the future of sustainable food technology. One coconut, one extraordinary journey, from nature's gift to millions of hands worldwide. The next time you hold a bottle, remember the incredible science and effort hidden inside. And this is just one factory. Imagine what happens inside the world's biggest food industries. If this incredible process amazed you, like, share, and subscribe for more hidden journeys inside the world's most advanced factories. Because next time we're going even deeper into another unbelievable factory process. Stay with us, because the world's most shocking production secrets are only just beginning.